Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock TikTok app on your Android. To do this, first of all you have to just go and open your settings app here. Now here you will get this option of security and password. Once you do it here, you will get this option of lock screen password or some different password. Make sure to enter it. I have to enter my phone password here. Now I can just turn this off. Now where I can do or turn on my app lock. So to do this, if you're not able to find, you will always find a search bar on the top bar. So you have to search for there. Now go to the app lock here. Now you can always find it inside your privacy section. Go to app lock. Now here, let me enter my password. Now here you will get an option of all the application here. Now I will just go and search for TikTok. So let's say here I will search for TikTok and I will turn this on. Right, so I have already turned it on, and once I go and try to open my TikTok here, right, so let's go and open my TikTok mobile application. You can see the password is here. So this is how you can log. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.